Cover song tricks that you don't know. In this video, I'm going to tell you the basic tricks that nobody's talking about in the music industry. If you know this, you are going to make a good money as an artist, even though you're just starting out or you are already in the game. So this is a very simple video for you to just take. If this is your first time of watching video on my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and comment on this video. For that being said, let's dive into the main video of the day. Many people don't know that cover music can actually make you thousands of dollars even though you are just starting out. With the help of DistroKid, you can actually make more money from a cover music without stress. If you are making a cover songs and you are distributing it with DistroKid is going to help you collect a cover license that is going to make your song to be in the major stores like Spotify, Apple Music and other major streaming platforms. So if you are covering a song of a popular artist, you are going to have what we call search engine. Your cover is now going to be optimized and you can actually tag the artist as a co-songwriter of the song. So you can also pop up in the artist search bar when people are searching on the artist on Spotify or Apple Music. With this, you are going to be able to generate thousands of dollars if you are doing it right with the help of DistroKid. Gaining popularity. If you are just an upcoming artist and you are looking for a way to blow up your craft, you can utilize the power of covers. Make cover songs on popular tracks with the artist that sounds like the kind of music you are making. Keep on making a cover music. Use DistroKid to distribute these songs on Spotify because DistroKid is one of the best distribution that's going to help you to take your cover to a major store other than any other distribution platform. I believe DistroKid is good at that. If you want to join DistroKid, I'll leave a link in the description of the video. You have 7% off if you are using this link to join DistroKid. Raise money for normal music. Yes, if you are an artist, you don't have money, you don't even know how you can source money in order for you to start promoting your music. This strategy is for you. Cover song trick is the only way you can actually make millions out of something you don't even put more effort on it. So if you are making cover music, paying a little fee on DistroKid, getting those songs on major stores, with time you are going to make more revenue from Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube and every other search engine that is going to come up as a search result of that track. This is just a quick tips for upcoming artists, and I rest my case. If you like this video, like and subscribe on this channel. So what are we waiting for? I see you in my next video. As we come, capable.